Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Doing some finishing up work on our RV electrical system upgrade. Link to the playlist above. And also at the same time, I'm fixing something that the manufacturer did when they built the trailer. Let's roll underneath. What we're gonna do is, as you can see right here, this is that underbelly tarp membrane that they have underneath. Well, they somehow got it so tight and put a screw through it, and you can see the big old hole there. So we got to address that, and then I actually cut the membrane so I could run my cable up through here into the basement. So I'm going to have to take the screws out of my rock guard on the front, pull it back so I can get tape behind here and get this all fixed. I'm going to end up just taking a pair of scissors, cut that so I can get that released, get the pressure off that. And up here I'm going to go ahead and make some cuts so that I can start drawing the original tarp back close together before I put my mending tape. And right here is the tape that I'm going to be using, which is specially designed to work with that membrane. Link in the description below where you can get this. Now this is a short roll. They do have longer rolls if needed. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some stuff cut and unscrew stuff. I'll bring you back when I get that done. Alright, I've got that screw cut. I've got some of the screws removed, so I got a little more play in this to move it around. I'm taking some denatured alcohol right now. I'm just wiping this down so I can clean it all up. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and I'll wipe inside of here. And I think what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to, instead of running just long ways, I'm going to come back over with some pieces like this to repair this right here on through, and we'll continue on. And once I get over there, I'll again do some cutting to relief cut to get the tarp back, or the underbelly back together closer to what it was, and bring you back when I'm a little bit further on. Now I've got tape all the way down, prepared all the openings. I've got just a little bit around the cords. I'm going to get some foam and just kind of put around it to help secure that. Before I get done, I'm going to get a piece of rubber hose tubing, and I'm going to actually slice it. I'm going to run it right across here just so none of the wires rub against this rock guard. But one of the last things you got to do when you using this repair tape is you need to take and just heat it up slightly with a hair dryer or heat gun per manufacturer. So I'll do that. That's going to help to get the glue to set. And once I get that done, we'll call this project done right here. All right, there we go. Got the damage that was from dealer or from the manufacturer fixed. Got the rest of my project fixed. The only thing I got to do is just get a little bit of foam, spray foam. I got a couple screws to put back in, but other than that, project is done. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share, and hope this tip helped you out. Until next time, happy camping.